Hey there, STN.
Are you new to teaching film?
Or maybe you've been at it for a few years and you're still figuring things out.
Ever wish someone could walk you through the basics without making it feel, well, basic?
Well, that's where we come in.
We're hosting STN's first ever summer film advisor workshop, and it's designed just for you.
Let's take a quick look at what we've got planned.
We're kicking things off with the fundamentals of storytelling and the 3 phases of production, from pre-production, production, to post-production. So whether you are filming on iPhones or DSLR cameras or even the latest cinema camera, we've got you covered. We're going to help you build a structure that works for your students and your schedule.
One of the toughest parts of teaching? Managing different personalities and sensibilities. Well, we'll show you how to build a student crew and how to deal with conflicts and how to develop real-world leadership skills like director, producer, DP. We'll also dive into the world of equipment management, what you actually need, and how to organize it, and how to best stretch your budget to suit your program's needs.
Along the way, we'll share classroom-tested projects and assessments that actually work. Planning to compete, we'll cover best practices for entering student contests and film festivals, especially how to help your students shine at STN. And yes, we'll also talk about fundraising and how to get your program ready for the STN convention.
This isn't just another PD, STN.
It's a chance to collaborate with like-minded peers, get inspired, and build your confidence as a film teacher.
So join us July 22nd to the 25th right here in sunny Burbank, California. Registration closes May 31st, so don't wait. Make sure to sign up today. We look forward to seeing you this summer.